All right, let's do a wash and go. So when you're doing a wash and go, you want to do it on soaking wet hair. This is going to hydrate your hair and help your hair hold moisture. For the moisture part, I recommend a wet leave-in. So something that you will spray, like this Mizani Miracle Milk, that it's a 10 leave-in, or something that's really affordable but really good, the Afro-G leave-in conditioner. And you can just put that in a spray bottle and dilute it with water. It's really good. Last thing you need for a wash and go is your stylers. The foam is the truth. Like, it provides the perfect like amount of hold for like any hair texture. I'm type 4 hair. I would say I'm like 4A, 4B, and it gives me really great hold. Or you can use something like gel, which I think I'm going to use gel today just because I haven't had a gel wash and go in so long. I just want to see what it's like and how long it lasts compared to my foam one. But the foam lasts all week. Then detangling. And then you're taking your styling product, foam, gel, mousse, whatever curl cream, you're applying it close to the root, not on the scalp, and you're dragging the product down. I don't recommend putting it on the ends because you won't be able to drag it down. So start close to the scalp and drag it around. The reason you're putting it on the root is to help to have curl formation from root to tip. Sometimes when I do wash and goes, I notice my roots are super puffy and my ends are curly, and that's just because I didn't put any product on my roots. But yeah, that's pretty much it.